Hey guys, I'm Molly from All Healthcare Careers. I'm going to be performing step-by-step CNA skills to ensure your success on the CNA clinical skills portion of the exam. Before we get started, I'd like to show you this CNA practice kit that we put together for you to practice at home with family and friends. It will be linked down in the description along with a video breaking down exactly what's inside the kit. Let's get started. I'm going to perform hand hygiene, 2 pumps of hand sanitizer. Before entering the room, I'll knock, make sure the patient is okay for me to come in. You're going to walk into the patient's room, address who you are. Hi, I'm Molly. I'm your CNA today. And then ask the patient, is this a good time for me to perform your hygiene for your dentures? Allowing the patient to give verbal consent. If the patient gives verbal consent, go ahead and collect your supplies. Here are the supplies that we need for today. A barrier, dentures, toothpaste, toothbrush, and gloves. Let's get started. Putting my gloves on. And then next, I'm going to lay out my barrier. Putting my dentures off to the side, I'm going to go ahead and apply toothpaste to both sides of the toothbrush. Once I have done that, I'm going to take my dentures and my toothbrush over to the sink. Placing them off to the side, I'm going to take out the top part of my dentures, rinsing them thoroughly in cold water. Then I'm going to take one side of the toothbrush and I'm going to start brushing. Making sure brushing from the front all the way to the back, getting out any food particles that you can see. Flipping them over and repeating the same steps on the back of the dentures. And now you want to rinse off all the excess toothpaste. Placing it in the cup and filling a little bit of water, cold water. Now taking the bottom part of the dentures, I'm going to use the other side of the toothpaste and I'm going to start brushing from the back to the front, removing any food particles that I see. Repeating the same steps from the front to the back. Flipping over. And then rinsing off with cold water. Placing the bottom teeth in with the top with already water in it. I'm going to then take off my gloves, disperse of them in the trash can, and then I will ask the resident or patient where they would like their dentures to be placed. If the bedside table is okay, I will place them on the bedside table. And then after you're done completing your denture care, you will perform hand hygiene, asking the patient, is there anything else I can do for you before I leave? If the patient says no, then you have completed the task. We hope you found this video helpful. For additional resources, click the playlist for more CNA skills videos, or try our 3 free-day trial that contains over 1,000 practice questions to ensure your success on the first attempt.